Yes, good morning, Nana. Now, coming to today, you are going to see the matrices and determinants. It is easy topic and as well as it is difficult topic. NPL students, IPL students, IC students you saw in the regular classes. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చదివారంటే రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసెస్లో మ్యాట్రిసెస్, ఆల్జీబ్రా ఆఫ్ ది మ్యాట్రిసెస్, determinants, inverse and adjoint properties, and linear equations. Generally, in the JEE Mains point of view, from the matrices and determinants, you have two questions. MSET point of view, matrices and determinants contain the three questions, 3 or 4. One question from the algebra of the matrices, one more question from the inverse and adjoint, one more question from the determinants, one more question from the linear equations. So already we discussed everything in regular classes. Now in the third revision time, you are discussing the 2019 question paper MSET. Probability completed, quadratic theory of equations completed, binomial theorem completed in revision period. Now again this chapter, you can see this. A matrix is given, P matrix is given, X equal to A into P A transpose. X equal to AP A transpose is given. Then find A transpose X power 50A. First I will find the X power 50 value I will find. Now X is what? AP A transpose. If we take X square means X into X. That means X into X means AP A transpose into AP A transpose. That is AP into A transpose into A into P into A transpose. You have to find the A transpose into A. You have to find the A transpose into A, you can find it. A transpose into A is, that is 1 0 0 minus 1. First row changes as column 1 0, second row changes as column 0 minus 1. Multiply row into column 1 into 1 1, 0 plus 0 1. Second row into second column 0. Sorry, first row into second column 0. Second row into first column 0. Second row into second column 0 into 0 0 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 1. This is the I. So A transpose into A is I. Now I will find the P square. P square means P into P. That is a 1 1 0 1 into 1 1 0 1. If we take this is the row into column, first row into column, we get 1 into 1 1 plus 0 1. First row into second column 1 plus 1 2. Second row into first column 0. Second row into second column 1. So P square value 1 2 0 1. Similarly PQ value will get P square into P, that will get 1 2 0 1 into 1 1 0 1. Multiply both, we get 1 3 0 1. 1 3 0 1. So P power 50 will get, like similarly P power 50 have 150 0 1 will get. So now coming to x square, you can do the x square. I will find the x square value, x into x. That is AP A transpose into AP A transpose. That is equal to A into P into A transpose into A into P into A transpose. A transpose into A, you got it I. P into I, P into P, P square. That is A, P square, A transpose. This is x square. Similarly, you can do x cube. We get A, P cube, A transpose. X power 4, A, P power cube, A transpose. X power 4, A, P power 4, A transpose. X power 5, A, P power 5, A transpose. Similarly, x power 50 is A, P power 50 A transpose. But they ask in the question A transpose into A power 50 into A, sorry, x power 50 into A. That is A transpose. X power 50 means A into P power 50 into A transpose into A. So that is A transpose into A, P power 50, A transpose into A. A transpose into A is I into P power 50, got it, 150, 0, 1. A transpose into A is I. So final answer you have I into any matrix, same matrix, 150, 0, 1. Copy the problem. See the next concept based on the question. Given non-homogeneous equation, difference between the homogeneous and non-homogeneous. If d1, d2, d3 values are zeros, d1 value, d2 value, d3 value constants are zeros, then these equations are called the homogeneous equations. If d1, d2, d3, three terms are not equal to 0, then the equations are called the non-homogeneous equation. You have to find the non-homogeneous contains solution, not contain the solution. You have to find the non-homogeneous have the solution or not, you have to find. Consider the augmented matrix. Convert this augmented matrix into echelon form. Convert augmented matrix into echelon form. First point, rank of A means rank of A means up to that part is equal to rank of AD equal to 3 means number of variables. Number of variables you have x, y, z, 3 variables. So consistent and unique solution. Consistent and unique solution. Second, rank of A equal to rank of AD less than 3. Consistent and infinite number of solutions. Number of solutions. Next third one. Both ranks are not equal. Rank of A not equal to rank of AD means no solution. This concept we know very well. In the matrices we did consistent and inconsistent. Consistent means it has the solution, either unique or infinitely. Now convert this augmented matrix into echelon form, means below the diagonal element try to make the 0. So same problem, coming to the problem. Given equations are 3 equations are given, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6 and x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 9, 2x plus 5y plus lambda z equal to mu. For lambda and mu values corresponding, they given infinitely many solution, no solution, unique solution. Match A, B, C are they asking. So first you have to write the augmented matrix AD. Quotient of x 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 right side constant. Next equation quotients 1, 3, 5, constant 9. Third equation quotients 2, 5 lambda, right side mu have. Make these two, second row first element, third row first element, make the 0 by using row operations. So R2 tends to R2 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. We know very well this operation. Now AD becomes, first row you are not applying any operations, so same. 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 3 2, 9 minus 6 3. R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 2 into 2, 5 minus 4 1. Lambda minus 2 into 3, lambda minus 6. Next mu minus 2 into 6, mu minus 12. After make this element as 0, that is R3 tends to R3 minus R2. So this becomes a 1, 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, lambda minus 8, mu minus 12 minus 3, mu minus 15. See, now the rank of A depend on the lambda and mu. If these two elements are 0, if lambda minus 8 equal to 0 and mu minus 15 equal to 0, that means rank of A, these two elements are 0, rank of A equal to rank of AD less than 3, equal to 2, less than 3. In this case, lambda equal to 8 and mu equal to 15. In this case, we have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. So for lambda equal to 8 and 15, you have infinite number of solutions. See how the first matching. Next, if both are not equal to 0, if lambda minus 8 not equal to 0 and mu minus 15 not equal to 0, that means lambda is not equal to 8 and mu not equal to 15, and then you have that implies rank of A equal to rank of AD equal to 3. You have unique solution. That lambda equal to not equal to 8, mu not equal to 15. You have unique solution. Unique solution means lambda not equal to 8 and mu belongs to R. Mu belongs to R also, it is possible. Lambda equal to not equal to 8 means obviously that is a not equal to 0. Obviously rank of A equal to rank of AD equal to 3 will get. Then mu belongs to R, unique solution. Next, third one. What is the remaining here? Lambda equal to 8 means this becomes a 0. If lambda minus 8 equal to 0 and mu minus 15 not equal to 0, that means lambda equal to 8, this becomes a 0, this is not equal to 0, means at that case rank of A is 3 and rank of AD not equal to 3. That means rank of A equal to 3 not equal to rank of AD. Rank of A is 2 not equal to rank of AD. If lambda minus 8 equal to 0 means this is the become 0. This is not equal to 0 means at that case rank of A is 2 but rank of AD is 3. Both are not equal means no solution. For this you have second option. So A have second, B have third, C have first. That is a list of the matching. Copy that problem. Let's continuation next problem. If step x is a greatest integer less than or equal to x, mod x is the modulus function of x, then the system of equation have three equations is given in terms of mod, z and integer functions. Three equations are given, have unique solution or infinite number of solution, inconsistent they ask in the question. About this question, two methods we have. Solve the equations, we have to find the value of x, y, z. Suppose this is the equation 1, this is called the 2, this is called the 3. I will eliminate the x values. First equation we have 2x plus 3 mod y. First method I am explaining, 5 step x z equal to 0. Second equation multiplied by 2, we get 2x plus 2 mod y minus 4 step z equal to 8. Subtracting both plus minus, these two cancel, mod y plus 9 step z equal to minus 8. Solve second and third, 2 minus 3, that implies second equation x plus mod y minus 2 step z equal to 4. Third equation x plus mod y plus step z equal to 1. If you subtract both minus 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 minus, cancel cancel. Minus 3 step z equal to 3. That means step of z equal to minus 1. Step z value is minus 1 means obviously z is lies between minus 1 to 0. Z belongs to minus 1 to 0. Step belongs to closed bracket minus 1 comma 0. So in between minus 1 to 0, in between minus 1 to 0, we have infinite number of real numbers. We have infinite number of real numbers. So z values infinite number of real numbers we have. Infinite for z value infinite number of real values. We get y also infinite number of values will get, x also we get infinite number of values. So final answer we have infinite many solution. This is the one method. Now I will explain the second method. Second method means we have to consider the augmented matrix. You can treat as mod y as y, step z as z. So you can see that quotients you have 2, 3, 5, 0, 5, 0 matrix method. Next 1, 1, minus 1, 4. Next 1, 1, 1, 1. Eliminate these two means R2 times 2, 2R2 minus R1, R3 times 2, 2R3 minus R1. We get 2, 3, first row is same, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 into 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1, minus 2 minus 5, minus 7, 8 minus 0, 8, 2R3 minus R1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 5, minus 3, 2 into 1, 2 minus 0, 2. Again this element make the 0. That means R3 times 2, R3 minus R2. So first row, second row same. 8, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 7, 4, 2 minus 8, minus 6. Now you have to observe rank of A equal to rank of AD. Both are equal to 3. So both are equal. One second. Two, 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7, 8 minus 0. Okay. 4z equal, from this 4 into step z equal to minus 6. That is step z equal to minus 6 by 4. I think some mistake here. 2. Let's see here, minus 2 is there. So we have to write minus 2. Then R2 minus 2R2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 will get. Minus 9. Then 2R3, that is a minus 3. So minus 3 plus 9 is 6 will get. So systems of step z equal to minus 1, then step z equal to minus 1. Step z is minus 1 means z belongs to minus 1 comma 0. You can go any method, either solvation method or that method you can go. So z value you have infinite number of values you have. Infinite number of z values, so infinite number of y values will get, infinite number of x values will get. So infinite number of solutions. Copy. You can follow this method or that method. That is your choice. This is a matrices method. Solvation of the equation method, first one. Copy that.